Oh, that's where he's looking at the stars. Oh, I thought they got them bucket of stones. Whoa, this is very interesting. That's very interesting. They have sun, green fish. Oh, so I have to do fish there. There's another fish here. No, no. Wow. Oh, 50 pesos. So how is it 1,000 pesos a day?
1,000 a day.
Look at them. Look like all police, you know. Yeah. Heads up. Oh, it's so nice to see them like that. Still up first there. Hello. Kuya.
Go to the house.
Hmm?
Go to the house.
Is it my bag?
Oh, you're not going to wear it?
I'm going to wear it, of course. Yeah, I'll wait in a minute, too. Yeah. Hello. The foot okay?
Pain, varicose vein.
Because of the pregnancy. Okay, take care, yeah? Okay. Yes, guys, that lady's pregnant. So sometimes they get pain on the leg, yes, which I do understand. It's something natural. Yeah. Yeah. See that, guys? Just hit the post.
Look nice in there, but I know it's crowded, mate.
Oh, you want to try? You want to try in there? Oh, okay.
I don't think that's real.
It's a spicy thing for 100 pesos. So, yes. Okay. Okay. In there. High five. Yeah. Yes, so this is the 4K city tour here, guys. Good afternoon. Yes. Yeah, quite nice out here.
Nice setup. Quite like it.
It's nice, you know. Oh yes. This is the one you were saying about, you know? You was talking to me about. This burger they got here is quite nice.
We want to go there.
It's very affordable as well. The prices also is affordable.
Yeah, that's the one I was telling you about. Black pepper burger is nice.
Oh, okay, that's the one. Okay.
It's nice too.
And that's the one you was talking about, the egg. That egg in
that
it.
one. Steak burger. It's got everything in it.
Oh, the egg, cheese, and all. Okay.
Mushroom, everything. And it's bigger as well.
And
It's an
pork.
extra 40 peso. And they don't use pork, only beef.
I have a steak burger, bacon and cheese, black pepper, chimichurri, shawarma.
Everything.
Yes.
We have the chocolate. Hot chocolate melon.
Or you could buy the hot chocolate and then you could get her to make it for you and then she make the burger as well and you can buy it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about the bacon?
Yes, sir. How many sets? Okay, sir. With drinks?
Just have a little
Yes, which is good. That's a nice one.
That's not fine.
Sure.
I wanted to go to that Amigo to check if they have that broken cup. That was one of the reasons I wanted to walk around.
Oh, okay, right.
Because that's where I didn't buy from this Amigo. There's two Amigos. You know what I mean? In case the second one doesn't have it, it's better to check the first one since it's on our way.
Yeah.
Because I really miss that green cup being in working condition.
Yes.
That was just a snack. I still want to eat KFC. Just to let you experience the burger's alright.
No, this is just to keep us until we eat lunch. Huh?
Yeah.
This is not really lunch. Huh?
It's just to get
Bottom
the car,
corner, yeah.
and sit down.
Oh, good shot. Yeah.
You can see if you buy that for yourself, it's not bad. 2 burgers for like 100 peso.
That-
That's literally £1.20 and it's so good.
It's really good, yeah. You'll never get that in London for that price.
No, never.
Look at this truck, guys, this chimney. With all the rice on top.
Shit.
Yeah, they're not good. It's a 4x4, yeah?
They're very small.
Yeah.
You see mine, you're gonna probably forget how big it is.
Yeah.
I can't remember how big it is. You stop us, the security will stand there, and he's going to call Grandad.
Yeah, let him come and go. Just say to him that we move the car, we pay you, but let's move the car to see what's going on with the car. And that's it, jump in, drive and fuck off, leave him. We're gonna do it in a smart way, you know what I mean? Like, you know?
Well, they're going to see us no matter what.
No, whether they see us or not, that's what I'm saying. Whether they see us or not, just say to them.
Well, open the car, just go there quickly, put the jump leads on the front, and then just start the car.
Yes, that's it. Just say the car is here because it have a problem. So let us try the car and see if we can move it. If not, we try and get someone to tow it. And we know for sure the car is going to start, isn't it? Then reverse it out.
Yeah.
Then that's it. Then jump in and just drive off, and that's it.
Not reverse it, go straight.
Did you reverse it in or did you?
Reverse it.
You reversed it in, yeah?
Yeah, it's even easier.
Oh yeah, you did reverse it. Well, there you go then. There you go then. That's even better. Even better. So only thing, once that car.
We don't even have to go in front of the bloody.
No, don't. Yeah, we're not. Look, when you go there, don't have to say anything about we're not going to pay. We don't have to say nothing like that. Just say to him, okay, before we do that, let us see if the car starts. Right, and once the car starts,
That's why you shouldn't have responded. Because you said you're going to pretend you never saw the message. You just told them once, you're coming. That's it.
Well, tell them I've just seen the message. I've just seen it. Yeah, do it.
That means you're going to see the rest about the charge. You can go there without talking about money.
No, I'm not going to talk to
Coming
them.
to get the car, you don't have money to pay because you only come to collect. You don't bring wallet.
But the message I sent. You saw the message I sent.
I didn't see. No.
Okay then.
I haven't read it.
Okay.
Let's hope it doesn't miss it.
Oh. Hello. Yeah, she's very shy. Shy. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
That's their daughter.
Yes.
They're a young family because the mum don't even look that old.
Yeah. They want the attention on the camera, guys. Calamansi. Is it calamansi? Hold on. No, it's mango. The young mango. Yes, that was a good shot. I've seen that. It's spinning a very nice way, and it's about, yes, it was amazing. Hello.
I lost my voice.
Yeah, like me. Yeah.
That girl was very, very cheap. You know what? The money was very, very nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like India, she got a nice bum and nice hair.
Yeah.
This is the type of SUV in UK.
Oh, they're saying it's their policy. Okay, let's go.
What do you mean?
They say it's their policy. They don't have a free parking.
Bullshit. So now you're going to say they're going to have a problem.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to have a problem, man. I just want to grow.
But what I'm saying, Chris, there's a way to do it. That's what I said to you.
Yeah, but the car's got mechanical issues. That's the problem.
You make the issue, but once you drive it out, then once you sit down and drive out, we just do it in a smart way. That's it.
Yeah, but they're going to block us. That's the problem.
No. Just.
They're going to say if the car had a problem, why did you park it? Why didn't you leave it somewhere to get assistance? Why are you leaving it?
Because it's broke down. The car break down there. That's it. It break down.
Yeah.
You cannot move it. The car cannot go anywhere. It's literally broken down.
Yeah, I know, but they don't care. They're just going to say you parked it there. But the thing is, they've got no evidence of it being charged.
They're saying it's 6 days. They'll have to do it.
Yesterday, they said if you collect it by Saturday, there's no charge, is there?
That's right.
They said you got by today to get it.
That's right.
And they mentioned no money. All they said is barangay. Now they changed from barangay to money. It means it's all.
They don't know what they're talking about.
They think we just have to go there first to the reception and ask permission. What I'm going to do is open the door, open the bloody bonnet, try to start it, and you can go check. When I start the engine, I'll bring the car out and you can come out after.
Well, all I'm saying to you guys, this is the way to do it. Right? Is to go to him, I smile up with him, sweet up with him. You know what I mean? Once we get that car started, the engine running, the only thing we need to do is sit in that car and tell them that we were back, we're just going to try the car out just a little bit more. That's it. Because there's nothing they can do really.
Well, no, they will say, sorry, you have to pay first.
They will pay what?
Exactly, that's what the
Tell them we have to go and get the money. But before we get the money for the car, we don't want to spend another more money. So we make sure, all we need to do is make sure the car is starts. That's it, because there's a problem with the car. You might need water as well, there's another thing. You need water.
You can drive it out just to get it around the corner.
Yeah, and that's the ATM over there, guys, you know. Yeah, so you come here and you get your money. Here at the ATM, so you can come here and get your money, guys, you know, anytime. Yes. guys, thank you so much for watching. This is where I'm going to wrap up the vlog for today. Yep, coming from Dipolog, guys. I just want to thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to always like, subscribe, share this video, tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, guys. Signing out from Philippines here in the Dipolog. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy, right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know. So come here to Marrakesh, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate Masarap. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.